is our main ship terminal in Vancouver. It's one of the biggest ship terminals in the entire country. Canada plays in about 350 to 400 of these cruise ships every year. Most of them head out towards Alaska or are coming back from there. So the ship that you see here is the Grand Princess. She arrived here at 7 in the morning and will be departing at 4 p.m. tonight, or this afternoon, I should say. And then on the opposite side is the Holland America Line Koningsdam. Same thing, she should be departing around 4 p.m. So if you guys are here in Vancouver around that time still,